how to avoid tolls in Google Maps. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can avoid tolls in Google Maps. So as here you can see, I have a direction to a specific place, and within this journey I have these two routes which shows that there is toll between these two places. So let me show you how you can avoid these two paths and get a toll-free route so that you don't have to pay any tolls. So let me show you how to do this. So to do this, the first thing you need to do that in the direction or in the journey that you have chosen, simply click onto these three dots present at the top right corner. Once you will do this, you can see this menu. In this menu, click onto the options, and then under the options you will have this first toggle which says avoid tolls. So simply click onto this toggle and enable it, and once if you will go back, you can see that it is redirecting me again, and it has shown me these two particular paths without any tolls. So that's how easily you can avoid tolls and save some money by using this particular trick. So if this video was helpful to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or queries, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.